Using Acumatica, a cloud-based enterprise resourcing planning software, involves several key steps to manage various business processes. Here's a concise guide to get started. Login. Access Acumatica via a web browser. Use your credentials to log into your company's Acumatica instance. Dashboard navigation. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which provides an overview of your key metrics and activities. Customize the dashboard to display the widgets and reports most relevant to your role. Modules access. Acumatica consists of various modules such as financial management, customer management, distribution management, and project accounting. Navigate to the appropriate module from the main menu to perform specific tasks. Data entry and transactions. Enter and manage data such as invoices, purchase orders, sales orders, and expenses. Each module has specific forms for data entry. For example, to create a sales order, go to the Sales Order module, click on New Sales Order, and fill in the required details. Reporting and Analytics. Generate reports and analyze data using built-in reporting tools. Access the Reports section within each module to create standard or custom reports. Utilize dashboards for real-time analytics. Workflows and Automation. Set up workflows and automate routine tasks to improve efficiency. Define approval processes and notifications for various business operations. User roles and permissions. Manage user roles and permissions to ensure that employees have appropriate access to the information and functions they need. Go to the user security settings to configure roles. Integration and customization. Integrate Acumatica with other business tools and customize a platform to suit your specific needs. Use APIs and third-party integrations for seamless data flow between systems. Training and support. Utilize Acumatica's support resources, including online documentation, training videos, and community forums to enhance your understanding and resolve any issues.